So the major requirements here are going to be some colors, some brushes and a Q-tip. You don't even need all of this. You can do whatever you want. This is just an inspiration. Along with that, any wasteful box or a bottle or a plastic container, anything that you can turn into a planter, use that. I have shown you couple of things. I have used a Rexona roll-on deodorant bottle. I have taken the shell of a coconut. I have taken a milk powder box, a container that comes along with rasgullas, and so much. The whole idea behind this is to create something useful out of waste material that you would probably throw out and it would end up in a dumping ground. Instead, why not use these for your plants? If you're somebody like me, you are always short of planters. So whatever I see, whatever I find, I just poke some holes in it, paint it a little, make it beautiful, and use it as a planter. Just a quick little heads up, I suck at painting, so please do not judge my painting skills here. This is just, I cannot even tell you what it really is, but it's just some pattern that came into my head and I just made it out. Doesn't matter, it doesn't have to be perfect. At the end, it is going to look beautiful because you're gonna add plants. Plants just make everything beautiful, don't they? This is my absolute favorite DIY planter. This is an old coconut shell, and I was really lucky that my brother could break it from middle, so that we had an almost bowl-like structure, and we were lucky that we could pierce a hole in it without breaking the shell. So that is it. I did not do anything along with it. I just left it as is, and I planted little succulents in it, which looked so beautiful. This is an old box of milk powder. We had plenty of these, and I can tell you, I have made over 15 planters using this box. So what I'm going to do here is remove the lid, and I'm also going to take off this this little plastic thingy that has all the details of it. I'm just going to remove all of this. Additionally, I am going to cut the top a little because the shape, I'm not a fan of this shape. I'm going to cut off this bit. The next thing that has to be done is to poke some drainage holes on the bottom. So I'm doing that with the help of a knife. So please do this under a parental supervision if you're under 18. So please be careful with this. Along with this, I have also poked some holes on the side so that I can hang it if I want to. So the inspiration behind this is Aprajita flowers. I think they're so beautiful. They're blue, and blue really looks good on a white background. So I'm trying to make those. Again, I'm not the best painter in the world. I'm probably, worst. So please don't judge my painting skills here. But yeah. Just do what you want. Painting should be fun. It doesn't have to be beautiful. You should enjoy doing it. That is it. And I think at the end it did not turn out that bad. It kind of looks good. I added some dark green on it just to give it a little depth, and I think it looks good. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what your thoughts were on this, and I will see you in my next one. Until then, take care and bye bye.